Hey, so I'm trying to help you out with the question you asked, and I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to do, but it looks to me like from your image you're trying to color different areas of a landscape with different colors. And if that's the case, then you should be able to use this weight map feature I have in my app to do that. Um, City Engine's pretty powerful, so you may be able to do everything you want to do within that. But if that's the case, so let me just show you how that works. So let's go back to our outdoors, and let's assume this is the area of the map that you want your height map. Okay. Um, then all you need to do, you need to do a couple things first. First, you need to go to Settings and put in your weight map URL. Now, I've got that in the help, but basically what you need to do is go to the help here and scroll down to copy Mapbox weight map style. You can click on that, okay, and it'll open it up in your account in your map box, and you click this button, copy this style to your account. Okay. Once you do that, um, then you can open up. It may open it up automatically, but then just go to Mapbox once you have it in your account. Okay, and go to Mapbox, go to your account, and then just click on Create Maps in Studio. Basically, open up the Studio, and so it should have something like this in your account. When you this is mine, and then when you copied this, it should have something like this in your account. So then you can open up that one. And again, you can see all the different layers here that I've colored different colors. So that gives you an idea of what everything is. Then just go to Share, okay? And you want to go down to Style URL. You just need this part here, not the whole thing, just your user. Now it copied the whole thing. Just your user ID and the rest of the style ID. So quit doing that. Okay, so copy that part, just that. Dang it. Uh, Having technical difficulties here. So copy just that part. All right, anyway, whatever. Just copy the whole thing. And then go back to Mapbox Bridge, and you can see weight map URL. Just paste the whole thing in there, and then make sure you get rid of this Mapbox style. So just delete that. And then so once you have just your username and the map ID that we just had, hit save. Okay. And then what you can do is so now you've got this selected, um, your height map area that you want selected, and go to map style, change it to weight map. Okay. Then you'll see the same area you've selected with the weight map. And then all you need to do at that point then is go to download, choose height map. Don't use this weight map because that's a different thing. Click on, let's see, height maps. You want map image. So you want the map image that'll basically take a image of this area selected here, and then just, export it per normal. Okay? And it'll do its thing. Now, it doesn't resize map, the map image the same way. I just don't have it doing that. But what you'll end up with, if I go to the drive where I downloaded everything, okay, and you'll see, okay, you'll have your height map here and this weight map that matches up with your height map. Now you'll see that it resized. I chose to resize my height map to 2017. This is the max resolution by default. I just left this one by default as 1280 by 1280. So you will need to open this up in GIMP and resize it. So let me just show you how that's done. So let's go into, but you can see the difference between this image and the image you're giving me. You're giving me a little image like that big. It needs to cover up, the image needs to be the whole image. So that's the difference. So all we have to do is go into GIMP, and to make it the same size as our landscape, which is 2017 by 2017. Okay, and then open it and go to our real world height maps, and open up our map image. Okay, and see how that looks completely different from the image you gave me. That's really what you need. You need that full image. And then go to Image, Scale Image, and 2017 by 2017. Choose Interpolation No Halo and Scale. All right, and then just do File, Export, and we'll just export it. And we'll just change this to 2017. I mean, you can name it whatever you want. The name doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this so I know what I'm referencing. And then export. Okay, export it. All right, and then you're done with that. Okay, and then so we don't need this guy anymore. We can get rid of him, and then we can go into our Unreal Engine. Let me just open up one of my test projects here. Any day now. Okay, and I'm just gonna create a new level here real quick, just an empty, just a regular level, empty level. Add some lighting. Okay, then we will go to landscape, import from file, and go to our folder and import our landscape. And you can see it's 2017 by 2017. That's good. Oops, I didn't mean, you don't need to hit fit data. I just hit the wrong button. Import that. Go back to our selection. Okay, and that looks pretty good. All right, now we need to import that map image. So just go to import, map image, and import that. And you'll see that here. Okay, then that landscape I gave you, just open that up. Okay, and we can just bring that down a little bit, and we can delete this texture sample. Then we can just drag that texture sample back in here and hook that up to base color. And we've got 2017 by 2017. Save that. Okay. And then we want to take our material instance, which we have here, and you just create that by right-clicking and creating material instance if you didn't know. And then we go to our landscape and select our material instance, go to our landscape, scroll down, and put in that material. And so see there, so now you have the map, colored with the different landscape, uh, you know, land areas, grass, and I don't know, I don't remember all the different areas, but you can see the different colors, and it all matches up. The black area, I didn't have set as anything. I think it's just general use landmass. But anyway, you can certainly go in if you might need to learn Mapbox. But if you go into Mapbox again, I just manually created this, but you can add a ton of different stuff in here, and you kind of have to figure that out. It's a little different way to figure things out, but I can probably help you with that if you need different things. But if that's what you're trying to do, it's pretty easy to do, and maybe you can create your own image instead of using the image you're sending from your professor's sending you, and just use whatever colors are here. All right. Anyway, that's it. Let's see.